Welcome to Ginger's Kitchen. Today I made my favorite corned beef hash omelet. First you spray your pan, and I take 3 eggs. This is an omelet for 1 to 2 people. There's 3 eggs, and I used probably a 1/4 cup of milk, maybe a little less, the amount that you usually use when you scramble 3 eggs. Mix it up well, and this is a stainless steel pan because I'm going to put this under the broiler. And you'll see that as we go on with the video. Now you cook it until it's really cooked on the bottom before we put it under the broiler, and you'll see what I mean. And it takes a little while, and then whatever filling you're going to put on, I wait till the bottom sets up a little bit before I add the filling. And as I mentioned, in this recipe, I'm going to be adding some corned beef hash. Now, I didn't make the corned beef hash from scratch. This is a corned beef hash that I bought in a can. It's one of my favorites, and that's what I'm using. Now we're going to continue to cook until it's nice and bubbly and set on the bottom. Now gently layer the corned beef hash on half of the top of the omelet, because we're going to flip it after it comes out from under the broiler. Of course, how much corned beef hash you use this is an individual taste thing. I don't like it super stuffed, but I do like it layered all on the one side so that every bite of the omelet you're going to get some corned beef hash. Now I'm going to continue to wait for it to get set on the bottom, and it's going to get nice and bubbly, and you'll see that it's really cooked on the bottom. And at that point, I'm going to put it underneath the broiler. My broiler took about 2 to 3 minutes, but everybody's different. Keep an eye on it. Now under the broiler. Here it is out from underneath the broiler, and I put ketchup on it before it went under the broiler so the ketchup wouldn't be ice cold. And here is the finished omelet. As you can see, it was easy to flip because I sprayed the pan, and the top got thoroughly cooked and the bottom got thoroughly cooked that way. No loose egg. And then I made some of my Cilbir seasoned toast. That's my Cilbir butter in the Cilbir egg recipe. And I will put the title of that video in the description so you can find that seasoned butter. Thank you again for visiting Ginger's Kitchen, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.